let you go.
My name is President High Court.
And tell us the outcome of whatever.
My name is President High Court. So the court, Okey Aihamoje, judge of the High Court of Edo State, has just ruled that the Labour Party World Executive in Ward 3, Nuromi, don't have the power to remove the national chairman. The national chairman can only be removed in a national convention by 2/3 of his delegates. And he has also ordered that the notice issued to the national chairman of his purported suspension is void, and any decision, any action or inaction taken upon that notice fall on the background. That's the decision of court.
Of course, okay.
And he has clearly restated that the claimant who went to court is the national chairman, challenging the power of the World Executive to remove him. And by the LP Labour Party Constitution, Section 31, Section 71, Section 19(1), very clear that it's only the National Convention that can remove the national chairman by 2/3 majority of its members. And specifically, it must be in the convention notice as per the remover before it can be valid. It's clear. It's different from other parties' constitution. So whatever that happened in other party was based on their own constitution. As far as Labour Party is concerned, they to be removed, you must call for a national convention for the national chairman only.
Okay. Mr. Chairman, sir.
Well, today we have indicated, the judge has spoken, and at the beginning of time we told the people of this country that Apapa and his school boards, we go to nothing, because Apapa to me is a tragic power seeker, and that is what he demonstrated. But today it has been brought to an end that what we predicted in his action has come to pass. It's clear, the constitution is not ambiguous. The only way the chairman can be removed is by taking him to the convention, and taking him to the convention, the agenda shall be his removal. And if that is not the case, you cannot sit anywhere to say a chairman is suspended or removed. And by the way, who are these ragtag that went to Abuja to make that pronouncement? Even if it were in our constitution that people from that locality can do so. No, what I'm trying to say is that those who even come at all are not even from his locality. That's what I'm assuming. It was a way to go. They were not even from his own ward. Okay. These are persons who came from a donut extraction peak from Igara and the rest places. So they do not have basis to come to Abuja and sit and say there is removing a national chairman who was elected via a convention. Okay. And so for us, it's concluded, and I think Apapa can go to sleep in shame.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, so we talk to you.
Sorry, man.
No problem.
For record purposes.
So you first tell me your name and tell me your reaction to the judge.
My name is Comrade Thompson Ehigwesi.
Okay.
I am the authentic Ward 3 chairman.
Okay, there's a fake one.
Yes. Yeah. The people that suspended the national chairman are fake people. They are not from our constituency. They are not from this land.
Is the chairman from your constituency?
I am the chairman of the national chairman.
Okay.
I am his ward chairman of Mr. Barrister Abure. I am his chairman from the ward level. So those persons that came to suspend him for the first place are not from my ward. They are not from Eastern Northeast local government. Anyway, I have briefed the press before. I just want to make it clear again. I am happy by the judgment of today that court have decided today that Abure remains the national chairman. They are not from our ward, and even though by the constitution of the party, the ward chairman has no power to suspend the national chairman of a national body. So we are grateful Mr. Abure still remains the national chairman. I am happy today has come to the end of Apapa and his group. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Wait, I need to take your name.
My name, Comrade Thompson Ehigwesi, Ward 3 chairman, Eastern Northeast local government.
Thompson.